The common bacteria, and usually it's bacteria that cause food poisoning, are E. coli, Campylobacter, Shigella, and Salmonella. You've probably heard their names, and they are not the guests you want at your party. So one little Campylobacter isn't the big deal, but as it grows on the meat and gets into your body, it will cause infection. But none of that matters if you've cooked the food thoroughly. And of course, poultry, as everybody knows, 165 or 165 degrees is key. The most important thing is reaching the correct temperature for your food so this doesn't happen. Initially, you'll feel unwell in the stomach, maybe gurgling, and then it will progress to, in some cases, or most cases, diarrhea, in some cases, nausea and vomiting. And then if it's an invasive organism, for example, Campylobacter and Shigella, even Salmonella can be invasive, they will cause fever because they're getting actually into or trying to get into your bloodstream. The one thing humans can't do for very long is not drink water. So as soon as you can't hydrate yourself or you're losing more water than you can put in, then you're in trouble and you need to go seek help. Sometimes if the fever is high and it's lasting for more than just a couple of hours, you need to seek help because you might need antibiotics for that. The food has to be prepared correctly. If you see food on your plate or you see food that looks improperly or inadequately cooked, just avoid it. If you're preparing the meal, be sure to make sure things are at the right temperature. You know, a meat thermometer is really important, and you probably should have one for turkey at least. And so I would strongly recommend that. 165, that's the magic number for turkey, and you got to get it in the right spot. A lot of YouTube videos out there tell you exactly where to put that thermometer so that your turkey is cooked.